control on. Okay. That's a problem. Okay, that's not right. Shouldn't be blinking like that. If you're viewing this episode of Gas Diesel Garage, it's because you have a 2021 Freightliner Cascadia and your cruise control doesn't work, or it kicks out while you're driving, and your taillights flash, or your taillights stay on. Well, you came to the right place because I got a fix for that. Stay tuned. Now guys, if you've been doing any kind of research online about this type of problem with the Freightliner Cascadias, you'll see a bunch of recalls for this thing. You'll see some TSBs on this, and let me show you what it is. It is that your low brake pressure switch that sits on the treadle valve. I'm sorry, let me say brake pedal. And that controls a lot of stuff. See, your cruise control will kick out like it's supposed to when you hit the brakes, just like you would see or feel on your personal car. So that's what this is. And what happens is, let me see if I can get this. You see all that rust? All that rust builds up inside the valve, and yes, it will cause your cruise control not to work. It will cause your taillights to stay on, and it will cause your taillights to flash. Now, this is the first one that I've seen where the taillights flash when you're away from the truck and no power to it, nothing. I guess it's just an early warning device letting you know that you got a problem. So, but I have a thing about that. I'm looking at how this thing rusts. If you're a driver, if you own one of these things, I think normal maintenance might correct this problem. What happens when things rust? It's because you got water in things. Like, this is air operated. So you need to, number one, drain your tanks at night, drain the water out. That's what I think you should do. Well, that's one thing that people should do. You know, don't take my word for it. It's just the normal thing, because compressed air builds up water in your tanks. So if your tanks build up water and then it shoots right through the system, i.e. this, see how it's going to mess some stuff up. Now, do I think it needs to be a recall? No. I just think regular maintenance is in order. Also, too, your air dryer. If you haven't had your air dryer cartridge replaced, I think you should change that, because you're gonna avoid stuff like this. This part right here, it's not that expensive, but it causes a bunch of trouble. And if you're driving a sleeper truck cross country with no cruise control, that's gonna suck. If you're at a rest stop and the vehicle is off, well, your lights are going to keep flashing. It might kill your batteries. So let me show you how this thing gets replaced. Right, I'm gonna show you guys exactly where this brake switch is. It's going to be this one all the way at the top. I'm gonna sit here and point it. This one right there. So we just gotta take the connector on out and then get our socket out. Grab a 27mm or a 1 1/8 deep socket. Gets it out very well. that's going to be a wrap for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hope this video helped you. And just remember, don't get screwed by the dealer. The dealer, you can actually buy that part for probably about $28. So now I showed you how to put it in. So now you're not going to have any more issues. So like I said, see you next time. Peace.